Unlock massive savings today. In this video, I'm revealing an exclusive hosting or coupon code that you won't find anywhere else. Stick around to find out how to get your discount. First, you'll want to click the link in the description below. It's really important to use my link because my coupon code is connected to it. After clicking, you'll get to the Hostinger main page, where you can just claim deal. After that, you'll see 3 different plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. You can choose any plan, and it doesn't matter which country you're from. For this demo, I'll show you with the Business plan, so I'll click Choose Plan. After some loading, you'll see the pricing. I'll select the 48-month plan and check out the pricing tag. I'll use my coupon code right here. And don't worry guys, this coupon code works for the 24-month and 12-month plans too, so you don't have to worry about it. There's one more coupon code for you to use, that is Day 1. This will give you a 15% discount, and the other one provides 20%, so you can choose whichever works best.